Hey guys, I'm Michael Ball with Arkansas Extreme Outdoors, and right now it's giveaway time. So I want to tell you a little bit about Arkansas Extreme Outdoors. If you don't already know, we have a Facebook group, 13,100 something members. We have a YouTube channel with over 3,000 subscribers, and we have a great team that love to go out and capture these memories and put them on our YouTube channel. Sometimes, a lot of times, we get to take kids and youth and some people that may not be as fortunate as us that get to do it all the time. And so along the way, we have acquired some really, really great partnerships and sponsors. And let me tell you, we stand behind these products, and today we want to tell you that we're going to pass along to you guys. You guys are loyal, you stick behind us, and we want to give back from our sponsors products that we stand behind that help us be successful. We want to give you guys a really, really nice package. To be able to win this package, you just got to watch this video. So one of our great sponsors and partners is Killshot Coffee Company. This stuff is roasted right here in North Little Rock. Comes straight out of Columbia. They get the beans in, roast them up to perfection. Guys, this is the best coffee I've ever had in my life. I've had a lot, and this is at the top of the list. So Killshot Coffee. Also, they're going to give you a 10% discount. Click on the link and buy it through this link. You're helping us, you're helping yourself, and you're helping Killshot. So our next partner and sponsor is 870 Bait Company. Again, made right here in Central Arkansas. They got many, many different kinds. They got any color you can think of, swim baits, lizards, you name it. And lastly, one of our great partners and sponsors, Camo Dust, made right in Arkansas, right here in the Central Arkansas, Lone Oak. The guys over there are super, super nice folks. The product speaks for itself. You can see them at the Big Classic, see all the big deer that people have killed using this. Our team uses it, and we will not go in the woods without it. So another fine sponsor. And last but not least, we're going to give you some of our nice merchandise from Arkansas Extreme Outdoors. We're really proud of this stuff. So here's how to enter the contest. All you got to do is watch this video and then comment contest entry in the comments of the video. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to support us and our team and our sponsors. And we will have a drawing 2 weeks from today. Dates are going to be on the screen. We'll have a drawing, and your name will be in the drawing if you follow those couple of little things to do. And good luck, and thank you from Arkansas Extreme Outdoors, YouTube channel and Facebook group. See you next time.